Hello guys, today we are going to study about a function called sorted in Python. It takes three arguments. First is an iterable object, second is a key, and third is a reverse, where key and reverse are the optional, and reverse is a bool, and key is a function. So first we are going to see some examples using iterable objects, then we are going to see about key and reverse. An iterable object can be anything. It can be a sequence or a collection. Sequence like string, tuple, list, and a collection like set or dictionary. And it always return a list in a sorted order. So let's see few examples. Here is a string and it will sort according to its ASCII value. After string we have list, and after list we have tuple, and after tuple we have a dictionary, and after dictionary we have a set. So now let's go and see what output it gives. As you can see here, it gives each and everything in a sorted order. It's a string is sorted according to their ASCII values, and it is a list, and this is a tuple, and this is a dictionary, and this is a set. As you can see here, it gives only list. Now let's learn about reverse. Reverse is a boolean value, and if it is true, then it will return a list in a descending order, and if it is false by default. So now let's print this. We will get sorted in descending order. Oh, let's here is list. So now let's run, and we will get list in sorted in descending order, and it is false by default. Now if we run, then we will get sorted in ascending order. Now we are going to see about this key, and this key is a function. So now let's see by an example. Here key is a function. This function, it takes the value, all these values one by one, and return their weight. If it's more than 10, then its weight will be 1, and if it's less than 10, these values, if less than 10, then its weight will be 2. Now if we run this, we will get all the numbers which are more than or is equal to 10 on the left side, and the numbers which are less than 10 on the right side. As you can see, this is because all the numbers which are more than or is equal to 10 have weight 1, which is less than weight 2. So this is all about sorted function. Thank you.